How to fix Google OAuth consent screen verification. There are 3 methods to fix Google OAuth consent screen verification. Method 1. Pay Google. Except for questions related to billing, you will not get any help unless you pay for support. This means that if your app needs verification, you will not get any verification unless you pay for Google support. Support costs $300 a month for support by email, or you can pay $15,000 a year to talk to a real person. Method 2. Close your project and start over. However, if you do this method, you must take into account 2 things. Thing 1. If you start over, you must remember that a snapshot does not work between projects. A snapshot only works within a project. If you want to know how to use a snapshot to upgrade to a more powerful machine, downgrade to the free version, create a website, back up your website, or restore your website, then click on the little white circle at the top. You will see a link to my videos regarding how to use a snapshot. Since a snapshot does not work between projects, means that if you close your project and start over, you will have to move or migrate the website, which is easy and simple to do. I use the plugin called WP Vivid Backup to move or migrate a website. It is a free plugin, and it works great. Plus, it is simple and easy to use. If you want to know how to move or migrate a website, then click on the little white circle at the top. You will see a link to my video regarding how to move or migrate a website. Plus, I will leave the link to this plugin WP Vivid Backup in the description below. Thing 2. If you do not close your project correctly, then Google will keep billing you for a month. To close a project in Google correctly, you must delete the deployment, release the IP address, and stop the project. If you want to know how to delete a project in Google correctly, then click on the little white circle at the top. You will see a link to my video regarding how to delete a project in Google correctly. Method 3. What are you trying to achieve? Are you trying to install or set up Google reCAPTCHA? Are you attempting to set up or install Google Social Login or Google Automatic Login? You do not use Google Cloud Platform to install or set up Google reCAPTCHA. To install reCAPTCHA on your website, you use Google reCAPTCHA service. If you want to know how to install reCAPTCHA on your website, then click on the little white circle at the top. You will see a link to my video regarding how to install reCAPTCHA on your website. I use a plugin to install Google Social Login or Google Automatic Login on my website. The plugin is called WordPress Social Login by the company called Mini Orange. I have not found a plugin that is as simple or as easy to use as this plugin to install Google Social Login or Google Automatic Login on my website. All you need is an email address. No coding, and no using Google Cloud Platform, and no using Google Developers Console. Plus, this plugin has social login or automatic login for Facebook, Amazon, PayPal, Twitter, LinkedIn, and 40 more. Here is a list of all the social login or automatic login this plugin provides. For Russian, this plugin has social login or automatic login for Kontakt, Yandex, Odnoklassniki, and Mail.ru. For Korean, this plugin has social login or automatic login for Kakao and Naver. For Chinese, this plugin has social login or automatic login for WeChat and Weibo. This plugin works with WooCommerce, BuddyPress, MemberPress, MailChimp, Paid Memberships Pro, Ultimate Member, and applications like Discord and HubSpot. If you want to know how to install Google Social Login or Google Automatic Login on a website, click on the little white circle at the top. You will see a link to my video regarding how to use this plugin.
If you like this video, then hit subscribe, so that YouTube will show it to more people.